Now next point we are going to study, that is oxidation states of the lanthanides. Now we have seen the electronic configuration as concerned to lanthanide series, and there is some change in case of the oxidation states. It is oxidation state when we have taken for the lanthanide series, for the lanthanum elements, that time it can be defined as, oxidation state can be defined as the total number of electrons which can be removed from the outermost cell. It is called as the valency cell. That number is called as the oxidation state. Now oxidation state can be obtained by two ways: addition of the electrons and removal of the electrons. When addition of electron can be takes place, that time negative charge will becomes. Negative oxidation state can be obtained by the addition of electrons in case of the elements. And when the removal of electrons can be obtained, that time totally how many number of electrons can be removed, that number positive oxidation state can be obtained. Don't forget that each and every elements, sometimes what happens here, some elements can be possesses positive oxidation state, sometimes they can be possesses negative oxidation states, and therefore the elements, when we have taken the elements having, that is two types of the oxidation state, positive and negative. Positive can be obtained by the removal of electrons, negative can be obtained by the addition of electrons. If we have taken Na plus, here removal of electron can be occurs. When we have taken Cl minus, addition of one electron can be occurs. And therefore in this way, what is the meaning of oxidation state, how the elements can be shown oxidation states, this idea we are going to see in case of lanthanide series. In case of lanthanide series, again you should take atomic numbers, symbols, name of the elements, ideal electronic configurations, observed electronic configurations. Now when you have seen the observed ideal electronic configurations, that time it is found that here lanthanum, when we have taken, this will be xenon 4f0 5d1 6s2. Again cerium, xenon 4f1 5d1 6s2. That is, in case of each and every elements, you will be found that here 5d1 6s2 is a common, and therefore totally one electron from 5d is 2 electron from 6s. All they can be removed from the each and every elements, and therefore here you can see here that the positive oxidation state plus 3, it is a common oxidation state for all the elements. Now when you have taken, that is common oxidation state, this can be obtained, this can be shown by the here ideal electronic configurations, where 5d1 6s2, this idea can be taken. 3 electrons in each element can be removed easily, and therefore plus 3 oxidation state can be obtained, and therefore this idea will be taken. And when we have taken, that is the removal of the 3 electrons, that time totally the oxidation state can be used as concerned to less number of electrons. If we have removed 3 electrons in case of the lanthanum, then lanthanum possesses xenon 4f0 5d0 6s2. This is the electronic configuration as concerned to lanthanum after removal of the electrons. Before removal of the electron, xenon 4f0 5d1 6s2. If we have removed 3 electrons, that time lanthanum becomes as xenon 4f0 5d0 6s0. This is the oxidation state of the plus 3 elements, and therefore again if we have taken as concerned to again plus 2 oxidation state can be shown by the neodymium. Neodymium shows plus 2 oxidation state. Again samarium shows, again europium it can be shows, again thulium, ytterbium they can be shows. And once the plus 2 oxidation state can be obtained, if we have taken yttrium xenon 4f14 5d0 6s20, means here 2 electrons can be removed from the outermost cell, and therefore for that is you can say ytterbium plus 2 oxidation state, when it can be obtained, that time the electronic configuration becomes as xenon 4f14 5d0 6s0. This is the electronic configuration of ytterbium plus 2. And when you have taken that is ytterbium plus, that is you can say cerium plus 4. Cerium plus 4 can be also shown as here cerium, praseodymium, neodymium. Again you can say terbium, dysprosium. They can be shows the extra stabilities as concerned to plus 4 oxidation state. And how this plus 4 oxidation state can be obtained in case of the cerium. In case of the cerium, if we have seen as concerned to xenon 4f2, iod 06s2, 2 electrons from the f orbitals, 2 electrons from the s orbitals, totally 4 electrons can be removed as concerned to cerium. Cerium plus 4 can be obtained. The electronic configuration is xenon 4f0, iud0, again 6s0 can be obtained. This is the electronic configuration. How many electrons you have removed, that number will be taken here, all they becomes as 0. Now this is the way to find out the electronic configurations as concerned to lanthanides, and then you should remove the electrons which number can be obtained. We have taken plus 3 is, that is generally the oxidation state as concerned to lanthanides. Also you can say actinides, they can be shows plus 3 oxidation states. And again extra oxidation state can be obtained by some elements due to a removal of outermost. You can say plus 2 can be obtained from the removal of 2 electrons from the 6s orbitals. Again you should take here that is in case of plus 4 from the s from 2, again d orbital removes 2 electrons. In this way plus oxidation state can be obtained as concerned to lanthanide series. Common oxidation state is plus 3, again extra will be plus 2 and plus 4. That is lanthanide can be shows plus 2 to plus 4 oxidation state. This is called as the anomalous oxidation state of the lanthanides. Again common oxidation state is plus 3. In this way the oxidation state of lanthanide series can be explained.